Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that suppose the graph of f is given, we're asked to describe how the graphs of the following functions can be obtained from the graph of f. So basically, what are all these transformations that we need to do? So in A and B, we are adding 8. The difference is that the addition is being done outside versus inside. So if it's outside the function, it's vertical, so up or down, and if it's addition, it's up. So up 8 units. And I should say that it's a shift. If it's within the function, that means it's horizontal, and addition is to the left, subtraction is to the right, so it's shift to the left 8 units. C, we have two transformations. First, we are multiplying by 2. Again, it's outside of the function, so it's vertical. It is greater than 1, so it's a stretch by a factor of 2. And then just like here, we're adding 8, we're adding 1 here, so it's up 1 unit. And again, I should be saying that it's a shift. D, we are subtracting 2 in both ways. So here we have to move, you start inside, you start from X and you move outwards. So first we go to the right 2 units. And then we subtract 2, so we go down 2 units. In E, we are multiplying by a -1, so that means we are reflecting over one of the axes. Because it is done outside of the function, then again, we can think of it as being done vertically, so it's reflecting across the x-axis. And F is just the inverse, which is found by reflecting over y equals x. So these are the 6 ways that you can obtain these graphs.